welcome one, welcome all, welcome back to Snack Day. So today I'm going to be talking about another one of these mini Japanese snacks that you make. This is the second one that I picked up while I've been here. I hadn't seen this one before and it was sort of like a dessert inspired one, so I wanted to pick it up. Overall, this was probably the least labor intensive one that I've done. It wasn't that hard to do and there wasn't that many components. You made like a fish sandwich with chocolate in the middle, some sort of, I forget, I don't know what they're called in Japanese. I should have looked that up, but this one had like a strawberry jelly with like rice around it, and then this was like a sweet sauce with rice balls in it, and then a ramen drink, which pretty much just tasted like candy. It's pretty easy. A lot of them used like similar things, like there's chocolate in both of these, and then this one and this one both had the rice substance in it. These ones actually didn't taste that bad. The strawberry jelly was really good because it was like that artificial strawberry flavor. This one was alright. It had a weird spongy texture to it, and I think that's just because you microwave it. The ramen drink was just like a sweet drink, and then this one pretty much tasted exactly like the real thing. It had that sauce on it, and it pretty much just tasted like it. This one is one of those ones that you can probably actually eat everything and not get grossed out by it. I normally don't really like to eat these snacks. I find them just more fun to make them, but I thought that this one was quite easy, and it was one of the ones that didn't taste that bad. Keep watching to see me make all of these Japanese snacks. make sure you subscribe so you can see all my upcoming videos, and thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned.